It's very easy for me to dive into the newest sound, gear, or technique more than I'm actually putting out music for other people to hear. And I find that extremely bothersome. For me, it's not only about the excitement of these new things, but also just feeling like I need to progress in my musical abilities. But there's an important distinction that I want to make that I hope can help you in a similar way that it helped me. And that is, a complex production is not equal to a better track. There's a good chance you've already heard talks about the importance of completing projects and getting your 10,000 hours, so I'll save you that here. Essentially what that means to me is fiddling around with new gear and getting familiar with it can be very productive, but if it stops there and I'm just doing that over and over, I'm really practicing the art of fiddling around and not practicing the art of completing pieces of work that I can share with other people. And admittedly, I've fallen victim to this very recently. So after months of working on side projects here and there, but not completing a single original piece of work, I decided that 2025 would be different. I was going to release more music this year, and for accountability, I decided that I was going to make videos documenting the process. I started with my first one a few weeks ago, and if you saw that video, you may or may not know that I failed miserably. The video ended up being simplified to a how I record video rather than a production start to finish video, as I had a ton of technical issues and unforeseen time restraints come up. So after I got all that sorted out, I came back later to finish the video during the arrangement phase, and I was just stuck. And there's definitely something to be said here about taking a step back and letting your mind and ears take a rest, but I think that there was a deeper issue going on. Looking back, it's much easier to see now that I was much too focused on the step-by-step and not as focused on the song itself and what it actually needed. This turned a good concept for a track into a bland 3 minutes of meh, and it just got worse as I tried to push it out the door. And over the years, I've gotten better at the art of completing tracks, but I decided for this track, I just needed to hang it up. Maybe I'll revisit it later, maybe I won't. Whatever. Then about a week later, I got sick, and that could have possibly been the best thing to happen to my creativity at the time. So after a full day of feeling awful and binging gear videos, I was eager to do something, anything that could get me out of that recliner. So later that evening, I came out to the studio with not much of an agenda, as I was still not feeling great. I thought maybe just for fun, I'll set up a drum loop and play keys over it for a few minutes and see what I can come up with. And so that's exactly what I did. I wasn't thinking about any fancy production techniques or experimenting with any newly acquired gear. I was just making music that felt right. And out of this came just one problem. I walked away from this project with, I think it was 4 tracks. One of them was an algorithmic drum track. I did some light mixing, some ozone mastering, and at least to my ears, it sounded pretty nice. And the problem is that this now challenges the way that I approach music moving forward. There's a part of my brain that is wired to think that this new approach is cheating, low effort, and mathematically inferior to the songs that I've created with live performed drums, fancy automation, or complex routing. I believe that music in its best form is cohesive and not only feels right, but each piece has a purpose and is informed by the rest of the puzzle. This can happen within very bare bones productions or huge complex productions. I'm now challenging myself to, yes, learn my gear, learn new tricks, and practice certain techniques, but also try not to focus so much on that stuff as it takes away from the ability to craft a song that is more than just pieces that kind of work together, but a song that actually feels like something. I don't know. I hope that made sense. If you've struggled with anything like I've described in this video, my hope is that you're encouraged or inspired in a similar way that I was, and I hope that this year is your best year of music yet. As always, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic in the comments down below, and if you got any value out of this video, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more of these. And if you're even remotely interested, the song that I was talking about is called Just Another Day, and it's out today, so I'll put a link in the description if you want to check it out there. Either way, thanks for hanging out.